not here.
Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm with Jeff right now, man. We're gonna do an update on his car in this video, so just stay tuned, man. I don't think everybody know what happened to it.
Oh yeah, the video was explaining.
Yeah, we'll definitely put an explanation in there, man, so stay tuned.
Okay, I'm gonna give an update to my buddy Yvonne. His car and my car kind of crashed recently. Both building our cars. Right now, I fixed the front end and just getting ready to get body work and painted. I decided to take off these things over here. It doesn't peel off, they're actually clips. You have to pry open and cover the holes on each side. I'm going to put instead of the MAZDASPEED6 rear bumper, we're going to put the sports Mazda 6 bumper. I think it has a cleaner look. And for this, you know, as a MAZDASPEED6, it comes to low profile, but I'm going to switch it to sports, the regular version. So you're going to see the tail later on. Just taking out the dents and other imperfections. Got my orange seat belts to match the color of the upcoming paint job. So this was going on so far. Give thanks to my buddy Kavan, helped me find the parts so I could put it together and fix what needed to be fixed. My buddy Derek for putting some welding work, and my buddy Mo who's about to paint it pretty soon. So those are the changes. Hopefully it will be, I don't know, pretty good. Hopefully really good. The only issue is the side skirts. It's going to be a bit of an issue right here. The old one comes up to here. I cut it off. Hopefully with the Mazda 6 version, the side skirts, which I have over here, will look alright. So overall, looking for a cleaner look. Probably in the future, I will shave the engine bay. But for now, try to get this thing at least ready to drive. It don't look much of a hoopty. But just send an update. Hopefully this help you out, see where I am. And another thing, these door handles, if you don't have to take them out, don't. As soon as you take them out, produce a problem. Where the spring is, usually crack. So I had to replace all 4. That was a waste. And that's it.